So we are going to see about a title about verifiable cloud data deduplication scheme with integrity and duplication proof. So in this we are going to see about what is the concept about this one and how we are going to be storing the information, as well as how we are going to be the uploading at the time, how we are going to be encrypting the data with the verification tags, as well as we are going to be make the integrity check protocol, so which allow the multiple users to hold the same file to generate to that individual verification tag. With that, the CSP will be used for reduplication proof. With that, we will be determining whether the data has been having private information and it's been stored or not, as well as it will be having any efficiency of our proposed scheme. So with this way, we are going to be see the architecture diagram of this process. In this, they have been given as like data holder, which is going to be uploading the information, and as authorized authority, which can be making the proof of authentication as well as the deduplication process. And here you are going to be see about CSP, which making the verification tags for the data holder. So whereas the another module which is going to be integrated with it is data user, where need to access the information, means how you are going to be accessing that process and which way the data can be secured and what are the process we will be accessed. So these are the things we are going to be see in this particular topic. Okay, so let's see about this thing. Here we can see that is index page of the thing, where you are going to be having both data owner, data user, authorized authority and CSP. So in this you are going to be having a sign up page as well as login. If you are a new user, means you can sign up with the new name and the email password and confirm password. With this, the information will be saved in the database. Once you have been signed up, means you can log in with the username and password for the data holder. So once you have been logging with the data owner side, means there you can see that the OTP process, where the information needs to be uploaded, means you need to have the OTP. So for that process, what you are going to be do is that CSP, which is a verification processor, that is a cloud service provider, needs to be accessed for this direct login. So in this, once you have been logged in, means there in the data holder file, it's going to be generated OTP for that particular process. Once the OTP has been generated by the CSP only, the OTP will be generated. That OTP will be notified to the data holder. With the use of OTP, data holder can see through that what is the OTP and use that OTP to upload that file. So here you can see that one. In the data holder, you can see the OTP, and in upload file, you are going to be entering the OTP. If it's been a correct OTP, means you can log in, or else you can't log in. So it will show the pop-up as like check your OTP. So need to give proper OTP for verification process. Once the OTP has been proper, means it will validate it with the background, and if it's been correct, means you can directly go for the next page as for uploading the file. Here you are going to be upload the file, which is a text file which containing the information, either it is a text file or doc file. You are going to be uploading that file. So while uploading itself, the information will be encrypted, as well as a key will be generated for the particular process. So with this way, the information will be secured at the initial stage from the data holder side. And next here you can see that view the information of the encrypted data, as well as if you have information of like you can delete the information, so as an option. So for the data user, multiple users can log in. So if you have been already registered user, means you can directly log in and can see through that what are all the uploaded files, but can't see what are the decrypted information. If you need to view the information, means you have to give the request for that particular file. So you are going to be sending a request for that particular file. That request will be sent to authorized authority. If you check it in downloads, means there you can't see the particular key. If you are having the key only, you can download it. Here you can see the status as waiting and accept by as an auto update. There is no key for that one. Okay. So now we can log in for the authorized authority. Okay, so in authorized authority, you are gonna be seeing through that what is the data, and you are gonna be accepting it. Once you have been accepted the information, means here you can see that who's the data owner and data user and all those things. At the time of acceptance, the key will be sent to that particular user, and also you are going to be adding another process like deduplication process as a proxy re-encryption process, where you are going to be encrypting the information which is already encrypted to make security higher. Okay, so we have been re-encrypted the process. Now you can log in to that CSP, and you can check with whether the information has been uploaded, that is maintained or not. Both data holder information and files which have been uploaded. And here you can see the data users information also. Okay, so once you have been done with this process, means you can log into the data user site, and finally using the entering the OTP, you can download and can see through that particular process what is the content as in the file, and you can view that process. Without the key, you can't download, you can't see what is the particular information. So with this way, we are going to be secure the information as well as the authentication process, and all the process will have been done, and finally the user has been downloaded and can see through that what is the decrypted information.